Hello guys, today's problem is an integration problem and it is defined as given on the screen. So firstly we will find what will be the differentiation of the denominator, because we have to do and substitution, and to do the substitution we will find what is the differential value of denominator, that is x tan x plus 1. So d by dx of x tan x plus 1 will be d by dx of x tan x plus d by dx of 1. Now d by dx of x tan x, we have to, there are two functions, so we have to differentiate the first function and keeping second as constant, plus differentiation of second function keeping first as constant. So let's do it. X is kept as it is, then differentiate second function. Differentiation of tan x will be sec square x, plus tan x will be kept as constant, and differentiate x with respect to x, it will be 1. So d by dx, and the differentiation of 1 will be 0. So I am not writing it. It is obvious that differentiation of constant is 0. So now please notice the question. In question, x sec square x plus tan x is given in numerator. So the numerator is the differentiation of denominator. So we will substitute. We will substitute the denominator value as t. X tan x plus 1 equal to t. Let equation 1. Then we have just found out the differentiation of this part. So its differentiation will be x sec square x plus tan x dx is equal to dt, because we have differentiated both sides. So our integration value will be like this: dt divided by t raised to minus 2. T raised to 2 means it is t raised to minus 2 dt, and by the formula of integration it will become t raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. So we will substitute the value of t. It will become minus 1 upon x tan x plus 1 plus c. This will be our answer. So there can be many answers for an integration problem. It depends on the substitution that you are taking. So by the substitution that I have taken, the answer is this, and this problem has come in JEE 2023. So you can solve it easily if you know the basic formulas. And if you are coming first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting such problems on my channel and daily, and you can also post any problem. If you have any problem related to mathematics, high school mathematics, you can post as a comment and I will try to reply it and by making a video on it. Thank you guys.